Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R750xs. In this video we're going to specifically talk about RAID. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R750xs. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. So here's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna first start by talking about the compatible interfaces of RAID. Then we're gonna show a chart that shows every type of RAID that will work with the system. Well, at least according to Dell's spec sheet, there might be an LSI card or something that you like. And if so, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear what works. Then we're going to show you how to physically install both types of RAID that work, even though we're showing three, which one doesn't. And then we're going to show you how to configure RAID 5 step-by-step instructions within the Dell software. So let's hop in on the fun stuff. First up, what are the compatible interfaces? So I put three up here. All right. So you have your front loading, you have your PCIe, and you have your mini mono. Which one works? Front loading? Correct. PCIe? Definitely. Mini mono? I'm sorry, Mason. That's 14th gen. Sorry. We're in 15th gen now. So you're going to get two choices. You're going to get your front loading and you're going to get your PCIe. Those are going to be the two types of compatible interfaces for the R750xs. Let's put up a chart of the different types of compatible RAIDs. You're going to have your software and your hardware. You can pause right now. You'll see all the different specs, the cache, the form factor, everything else. So, pick the one you want, but here's a handy dandy chart to get you going.
Hey, it's Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your front RAID controller and a PCIe RAID card into your Dell PowerEdge R750xs server. Now, as you can see, we have the materials that we need for the install. We have our PCIe RAID card, our front RAID controller, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's get started by popping our latch and lifting our top, just like any other server you've been in before. First, let's show you how to install the front RAID controller. Taking a look at the front of the server, go ahead and pull this metal cover back and lift straight up to show where the front RAID card needs to be installed. Now we will go ahead and attach the connectors to the RAID controller here. Now that we have connected the cable to the controller, we can set it into the slot and push the controller's leads into the ports on the back plane. Once the controller is slotted into the back plane, we can go ahead and grab our Phillips head screwdriver and screw the controller down into place. And that is how you install your front RAID controller. So now we'll go ahead and show you how to install your PCIe RAID controller. As you can see, we have our PCIe RAID card here, and you want to make sure that these leads here match up with the PCIe slot right here in the back of the server. So first we will lift up this black tab and remove the filler bracket so we can make some more room for the RAID card. Now we will begin slotting in the RAID card, making sure that the leads are lining up properly so we don't damage the PCIe slot or the RAID card itself. And then go ahead and flip that black tab back down to secure the bracket. You've done it! You've successfully installed a PCIe RAID card and a front RAID controller into your Dell PowerEdge R750xs server. And now we'll go ahead and show you how to configure RAID 5 with step-by-step instructions. Be right back.
Now we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to configure RAID 5 with your 15th gen server. Now RAID 5 is one of the most common configurations out there. It will require a minimum of 3 hard drives, and do make sure that your controller does support RAID 5. During post, you're going to want to press F2, and this will take us to System Setup. Once you get into System Setup, you're going to go to Device Settings. Within Device Settings, you're going to find the hardware that's installed in your server. Here you will select your desired RAID controller. Select Main Menu. In the main menu, you're going to select Configuration Management and go down to Create Virtual Disk. So what we want to do now is select the RAID level that we want. In this case, we're going to select RAID 5. We're going to leave unconfigured capacity selected. So now we're going to click on Select Physical Disks. On this menu, check both for the Select Media Type option. Then we're going to select all the drives that we want to configure in our RAID. Select Apply Changes, then click OK. On the Create Virtual Disk menu, click on Create Virtual Disk. Click on the Confirm box and click on Yes, and then OK. To confirm the RAID was created, head back to the main menu, then select Virtual Disk Management. And you'll find here that we've configured RAID 5 to our virtual disks. Congratulations, you've successfully configured RAID 5. Well, hey, if you found this video helpful, do us a favor, click that like, smash that subscribe, and if you're looking for any custom-built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, we would love the opportunity to earn your data center or earn your home labs business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.